Mikes.
Hello.
Hello, Ina. I have a stickers.
Yes.
Wait, where's the stickers? Where? Where's your stickers? Baby, show it, show it, show it. Show it your frozen stickers. Who bought this? Who bought that one, Mike? Saan nag-buy?
You.
Kids ako.
Mama na pa.
Mama and?
Mama.
Mama. Mama bought that one. Another one. What's in there? Asa na? Unsa na? What's that? That is a
Open.
practice writing book. Age 3 to 5 years old. Mag-practice na si Mikey og write kay sige kam ato na ka sa
Sipo.
Cebu? Ato kag Cebu? Ay? No. Mag-ato na ka, mag-school na ka. Masa ka ma to? Sa school.
Friend.
Yes, you have friends there. Where's your school? Where's your school? What is the name of your school?
Teacher.
In a West?
West.
Look. City
City.
Central
Sisa.
School. West City Central School. Okay, and I have a coloring book si Mikey. Frozen Fever. Mikey love Frozen very much. And she has a new set of crayons. Mikey, ayaw nagbaha. Okay? Kailangan complete per me ang mga crayons, ha? Okay? Sige. Mikey will color. Ay, Mikey, wait lang. Mikey, let's color the hair of Anna. Anna's hair. What is the color of Anna's hair? That is?
Sipo.
No, that is orange. This one. Orange. Okay. Follow the color, Mikey. Follow.
Follow.
Yes. Okay, Mikey is very good in gripping the crayons. Malo na siya mag-grip. Say hi, B.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
Color.
Color. You like your coloring book? You like it? You like it?
Mama lang. Wala.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's the same. It's the same color here. Oh, the same.
Orange.
Mag-school na si Mikey. Pasit-in ako siya sa kinder. Dito sa among school. Okay, para maka-school na si Mikey. Sit in. Visitor. Visitor only.
Calm down, everybody.
Calm down. You just hit a police car.
Kuya. Noisy, kuya. Say, do not mind them. Just finish coloring the hair of Anna. Oh, why?
Tia.
Huh?
It's not over. Just let me try. Red on it. We're stuck now.
Orange first.
What?
Oh, dagan kayo maybe. Laundry, nasa likod. Kailangan pa na i-fold and ibutang sa cabinet. Ikabi cabinet. Kabi ka. Sinaka. Bi. Net.
Where's your black bag?
Net. Cabinet. Cabinet. Mula nga laundry, kailangan i-fold para mabutang sa cabinet. Oh, why? Careful, sige, just go on. Okay lang.
Wow, where's the head of this?
Sige na, finish it para so Anna will happy.
Wow, where's your charger?
Sa room.
What room?
Yung sa laundry. Nung mga laundry. Yeah, nato din na. Wow. Oh, look, Mikey knows how to grip the crayons. Oh, see? Mikey is ready na to go to school. Mato ka, Cebu? What are you doing there in Cebu? will you do?
My teacher, me teacher, not your teacher, you go.
Yes, I'm a teacher and you are pupil.
Mom, me cool, not your cool, me you cool. Ah?
Yes, mag-school ka. We'll go to school together. Ay, where? Sige na, go na dali. Sige na.
My tama.
Sige na, you finish na, please. Finish. Oh, see, be messy daw you do.
Not yet.
Oh, very good. Not
Mama,
yet.
not yet.
Okay, not yet. Di pa daw, hindi pa tapos.
Where is it, Apa?
Isip-isip. Thinking, what are you thinking?
Oh, it's also the best driver.
Hmm.
No, I'm the best driver.
Hold it.
What?
Almost killed my car, bro.
Continue. Very good, Mikes.
How can you be
Next time, mag-write na punta, ha? Let's learn writing, ha? Okay? Do you want to go to school? Really? Okay, so mag-practice of writing. Sit down ka.
Yeah. Bye with the rap dance. Look.
Nagot sa si Ana? Nagot sa si Ana? Like that. Okay. Wait, look. Sa dali picture, B. Picture. Later ng hand. Hair sa ka. Hair sa. Ay? Oh, wow. Your pajama is so small. Alapu. Bayang ana, kamay sa dibdib. Bayang magiliw. Ikaw. Bayang magiliw. Pero sa silanganan. Uy, di man na magsigyog lakaw-lakaw pag magsing og bayang magiliw. Mag-steady lang dito. Mag-steady lang ka, ana. Kamay sa dibdib. Ana lang. Sing dayon. Go. Sing. No? Sige, continue na lang color. Ay, not yet finished. Oh. Ala, almost done.
Not yet.
Not yet. Almost done, gani.
Oh,
Not yet. Okay, continue. Finish it. Tired? Dizzy ka? Sige, mag-good ka mag-TV. Hindi na ka mag-TV, ha? Mag-busy na kasi mong coloring and writing. Okay?
Mommy, sleep.
Sleep ka? Ay, nap time sa daw si Mikey. Okay, magbalik kami. Bye-bye. Nap time sa si Mikey.